This keto sourdough bread is so filling. You get a crunch from the chia seeds and there's a sweetness to it. I'm going to show you how, and it's really easy. Stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to Cook with Mel. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you know when we've posted a new recipe. It'll really help my channel and it'll only take you a second. If one of your favorite breads before keto was sourdough bread, I've got such a great recipe. It's so easy to make, it's really filling, and it's delicious. The ingredient list and macros are in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. First, grease and line a standard loaf tin and set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. First, we're going to prepare the chia seeds in a separate bowl. Add a half a cup or 100 grams of white chia seeds. Then 1 tablespoon or 10 grams of apple cider vinegar. Then 3 tablespoons or 45 grams of melted butter that's been cooled. And lastly, 3 eggs that have been lightly beaten. I'm just going to give this a quick combine and then set this aside, and we're going to prepare the dry ingredients. This is what your chia seed mixture looks like after it's combined. Do let it rest for at least 10 minutes so your chia seeds can swell up. To another bowl, add 1 cup or 110 grams of almond flour, half teaspoon or 2 grams of baking soda or bicarbonate of soda as it's called in some countries, half teaspoon or 2 grams of pink Himalayan salt, and lastly, 1 tablespoon or 16 grams of your favorite sweetener. I use monk fruit. Combine all of your dry ingredients. After the 10 minutes, your chia seed mixture will be quite thick, and that means it's ready to pour into your dry ingredients. Now we're going to mix this and combine until you have one consistency, and we're doing this by hand because I hope you guys can see it is so easy to do. Okay, it's all come together nicely, and literally I've just been folding it in like this and then, patting it down like that, and then just keep folding it, and it comes together like maybe in 2 minutes. And now this is ready to pour into your loaf tin. Pat it down like that, fill in the corners, and then I'm going to flatten it off. So this is now ready. I'll just give you a close-up. I've literally just patted this down with my hands, squared off the edges, and you can do the same, or you can use an offset spatula. Now you're going to bake your beautiful keto sourdough bread for 35 minutes in the middle of the rack. Oh my goodness, you guys know that I have had many failed bread recipes, but have a look at this. It came out amazing. I'm going to let this cool down completely now, and we're going to open it up and cut it, and we're all going to get to see what this looks like on the inside. And now we're just going to remove our bread. And cut it up into 16 pieces. And now we are going to see the middle of this beautiful bread. Look at that, it's so soft and so yummy. Gorgeous. Well, I've just had a taste of this beautiful sourdough bread, and there's a sweetness to it, and you get a bit of crunch from the chia seeds. I really hope you get to try it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.